Hello, welcome to Jnanarogya English. As yoga is the currency that can be used anywhere, real money is the actual currency that is used everywhere. It is the magnet for all. It attracts all of us. It is necessary or it is a means for living our life. It is a necessary exchange for food, shelter, clothing, as well as for purchasing the gadgets that makes our life comfortable and luxurious. Every family has its own standard of living and it is more or less unique. Money gives not only these things but it also reflects the status of that family. It is sort of status symbol. Money can buy almost everything, though there are some exceptions like emotions, health, birth and death. Insurance is also one of the exceptions that money alone can't buy. But let us discuss that in some other video. Fact is that money is very important. Hence, economy of a family, of a society, city, state and at last of that of a nation is of vital importance. Today, actually we are experiencing this economic crisis due to coronavirus. So, is it not our responsibility to utilize this money properly? Let us keep only families in our discussion. Irresponsible utilization of the money can lead to the collapse of economic condition of that family. So, it is our responsibility to utilize this money properly. Then what can take us to the strong economical conditions? The financial planning is the answer for this. Most of the families do not manage their wealth properly. They invest or spend as and when they want. We neglect to not to spend our money for unwanted or unnecessary things. And we also neglect to invest our money in investment tool that can protect our money or can multiply it. The result of such an ignorant behavior is the collapse of the economic condition of that family. Let me tell you what we are doing. We are knowingly neglecting or unknowingly not following the investment rule. I am trying to put this investment rule pictorially on screen. Base of the pyramid shows that we must adopt the financial protection tool first, like life insurance, mediclaim and general insurance. These are the tools, if not adopted in time, may take us to the poverty. Having done this, some short-term savings like FD, KVP or NSC must be done. Now, you can think of wealth creation through mutual funds and shares. Financial planning tools up to this can be adopted by almost everyone. And now, investing in gold and real estate is not everyone's role. Gold must be purchased to a limited extent as it has more emotions than a pure investment. Investment in real estate has no doubt exponential wealth creation growth, but requires huge amounts for the investments. I hope all of you might have understood what I mean to say. So if you follow this investment rule, then it can take us to a luxurious life and comfortable one also, and standard of living won't be affected. Waiting for your replies in comment box. Keep distance, stay safe. Thanks a lot.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified first for each new video.